Most students fail this math problem, but can you solve this? Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we want to find the value of b from this given nice math algebra problem. B raised to power 150 plus b raised to power 100 is equal to 12, where b is a member of real numbers. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. If you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of mn. This is equal to a raised to the power of n to the power of m. Then this b raised to power 150 can be written as b raised to power 50 to the power of 3 plus this b raised to power 100 can be written as b square raised to the power of 50 is equal to 12. Let b raised to power 50 is equal to a. Then this can be written as a raised to power 3 plus this also can be written as a square is equal to 12. Now let us bring this 12 to this side. Here we have a raised to power 3 plus a square minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, but 12 is equal to 8 plus 4. This is equal to 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 square. A raised to power 3 plus a square minus 12 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 square is equal to 0. A raised to power 3 plus a square, let us open the bracket with this negative, minus 2 raised to power 3 minus 2 square is equal to 0. Now let us pair this with this and this with this. A raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3 plus a square minus 2 square is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have x raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3, this is equal to x minus y bracket x square plus xy plus y square. Then if you have x square minus y square, this is equal to x plus y bracket x minus y, where x is equal to a and then y is equal to 2. Now this can be written as a minus 2 bracket a square plus 2a plus 2 square, then plus all of this is a plus 2 bracket a minus 2 is equal to 0. Then here you can see that a minus 2 is common. Let's bring it out. A minus 2 bracket if you divide the whole of this by this, we have a square plus 2a plus 2 square, that is 4. Then plus if you divide the whole of this by this, we have a plus 2 is equal to 0. A minus 2 bracket a square plus 2a plus a, that is 3a plus 4 plus 2, that is 6, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2. This is the first value of a. And the second case is a square plus 3a plus 6 is equal to 0. But here, we can only solve this using quadratic general formula. And in order to get the real value here, discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac must be greater than 0. So from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 6. Discriminant d is equal to 3 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6. Discriminant is equal to 3 squared. This is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 6, that is 24. Then d is equal to 9 minus 24. This is minus 15, which is less than 0. Then this is rejected. And remember, we said b must be a member of real number. So therefore, the only real solution we have for a is equal to 2. Now we can now solve this. A equal to 2. Now recall that b raised to power 50 is equal to a. Then b raised to power 50 is equal to 2. Let us multiply the exponent of both sides of this equation by 1 over 50. We have b raised to power 50 to the power of 1 over 50 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 50. This cancel this. B is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 50. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. B raised to power 150 plus b raised to power 100 is equal to 12. Now, if b is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 50, then this is 2 raised to power 1 over 50 to the power of 150 plus 2 raised to power 1 over 50 to the power of 100 must be equal to 12. Remember, if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power mn. This can be written as 2 raised to power 150 over 50 plus this can be written as 2 raised to power 100 over 50 is must be equal to 12. 50 here 1, 50 here 3, 50 here 1, 50 here 2. Then we have 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 square must be equal to 12. 2 raised to power 3, this is 8 plus 2 square 4 must be equal to 12. 8 plus 4, this is 12, is equal to 12, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and help me share. Bye.